Yeah. That's so it's funny you bring that question up. So when I was kind of going over this pitch with my team the other day, I said a successful pitch today is going to do one of two things. I think there's probably only going to be one person in that room that can truly do entrepreneurship, and I mean that. Maybe that person will figure that out, and they're going to hear what we have to say and then go, that's me. That's a success for today. And the other side of that is people that say they're going to be an entrepreneur can hear what we had to go through and what it takes, and they go, maybe I'm a great employee. And that's a success as well. So I guess to talk directly at that student that might not know they're an entrepreneur, but they're just kind of lost with what they're doing today, just like I was. I never knew it either. And I would say, get involved. And if you want to create a company or a startup, or if you want to create a product, products are consumed by people. So go and interact with as many people as you can in an authentic way, not just some gimmicky and salesy way, but rather go make some memories. Go and figure out who you are and what you like to do and what you don't like to do. Go figure out what you're really, really good at. For me, it was branding, and it was creating a product and building a team. And I did that through student government and through different organizations. And you get every tool to do that here for free, and you have zero responsibility. So for those students that have no clue what they're doing, or maybe they're lost, and maybe they think, oh, maybe I could be an entrepreneur. Well, the only way you're going to figure that out is if you just get out there and try a bunch of things. And go do that. So go try a bunch of things and see what you like. And the one that makes you sweaty a little bit, that's the one you should go with.